Hello everyone, today we are here to review this guest paper of Vinod Publications. It's a B.Ed semester 2 guest paper. Its name is Assessment for Learning. It's a Punjab University Punjabi medium guest paper. It's a bestseller guest paper of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm of India. Is as per the new syllabus pattern, it has 100% sure success rate. So let's have a quick review and check out and review this guest paper. So let's check this out. New syllabus is mentioned. Unit 1 overview of assessment and evaluation. Things are given: basic concepts, assessment for learning, test examination, then objective and purpose of assignment, behavioralistic and constructivistic paradigm, then types of evaluation and so on. Then unit 2 assessment tools, test type, essay objective, characteristics of good tools, construction of text, planning, preparation prior to evaluation, then techniques of assessment, project work, assignment, practical work, performance based activities. Then unit 3 analysis and implementation of assessment, scoring procedure, manual and electronic, development of rubrics, analysis and implementation, calculation of percentages, frequency distribution, pie chart, bar graph, histogram, then normal probability curve, meaning, characteristics and uses. Then unit 4 trends and issues assessment, existing practices, continuous any comprehensive evaluation, grading, choice-based credit system, feedback in improving learning and learner development, issues and problems, note retention policies, and management of coaching. Then emerging practices in assessment, standard-based assessment, online, computer-based, and open book text. Then after all the matter is completely given with subtopics completely given. Questions are very well discussed and pictorial representation is given. Topics are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language to make it comfortable for both kind of readers to read it, so that if you are easy in reading English language, you can still buy this book and have a very easy access to it. And questions are also very highlighted in detail, so many questions with points explained in detail. It's a very good book. I think a very good guest paper. You should definitely buy it. In the last page of guest paper, B.Ed textbook semester 2 and B.Ed guest paper semester 2 are also given of Vinod Publications, Punjab University. You should definitely check them out. And 5-in-1 guide semester 2 is also given in the last book of 1, 2, 3, 4 semesters, Punjabi, Hindi and English medium. You should definitely check this out and definitely buy it. This is a must buy from my side also. So price of this guest paper is just ₹99 only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or you can call them directly at 9218219218 on Vinod Publications, and guest paper will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can also go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube and check out other books and stuff on Vinod Publications. You can go to their website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books. And if you want to buy this book offline from any bookstore nearby your location, you can buy it offline from any bookstore of B.Ed books, whichever has B.Ed books, within just ₹99 only. So buy it online on Flipkart, Amazon, or buy it offline from bookstore. It's your choice at 99 only. You can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com if you have any query, and if you have any complaint regarding any book or this guest paper or any guest paper, any book, you can go to helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. So ₹99 is a very reasonable and low price for this guest paper, Assessment for Learning of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm of India. It's a bestseller guest paper, B.Ed semester 2 Punjabi medium, Punjab University. I highly recommend this guest paper. It will definitely help you in exams. I think you should definitely buy it. Thank you so much.